So Frank, you're brilliant. You hit it out of the park in gold and crypto, and we love having you as an America. America's better that you've joined us. Thanks, and Texas too is better to have you as a Texan. But what's next? What should people be looking at?
I think shipping. I think there's tremendous logistics issues, and they have pricing power. And UN pushed in environmental issues that on the oil they have and the size of their tankers. So we're seeing prices rise ninefold. And cargo airlines, they never stopped during the COVID crisis. They had tremendous pricing power. So I think we're going to, as the pent-up demand from $17 trillion is huge. Latin America was a big maker of clothes from Guess jeans. They shut down, but people need clothes. So America's been the leader in getting vaccines. So there's a high correlation. You know, I'm a guy that wears many hats, and I always chuckle about it. So I have to wear my Jets hat, and the Jets hat relates to vaccines. So as more and more people get vaccinated, then people want to travel. The business traveler is not going to start until we get about 70% double vaccinated. And so the same thing happens when I've got gold. So then I wear my gold hat. And then we're going to talk about my Hive hat. The point is that you have to have an optimism and look for where the trends are going. So I think cargo and resources are going to be a big winner in the next 3 years. And so I remain bullish on that sector. And the airlines still have another big leg as Europe comes alive because they're so way behind in getting vaccinated. Same thing in Canada. And a lot of Asia is really behind in getting vaccinated. So in the next 18 months, the vaccination is going to grow here. Now we're going to get free boosters. So I think that we're going to see this huge run. Digital, Hive, I'll tell you about Hive's vision. Hive's vision is a $10 billion company. We're the first to mine Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're grossing today, I think we're about 500,000 a day. That's 180 million a year in revenue. We will grow 300% this year based on all the equipment we bought. We just have to get it installed. And we're buying our own assets at data centers. What we bought in New Brunswick for $300,000, Riot just paid $2 million a megawatt. So we think that we're way ahead on that curve. We're approaching to get listed on NASDAQ. We think that'll go through a re-rating as more funds can buy it. So I'm very bullish on it. But last time when I was on your show, we talked about Grow. And, you know, Grow has been a big beneficiary of Jets. Jets was, say, $40 million. That only throws off $160,000 in revenue. Now, at $4 billion, it throws off $24 million in revenue. I haven't hired any more employees. I just keep educating. So Grow has basically gone up 8-fold since the last time we spoke. I think it's a $40 stock based on our peers. So, and it also owns a big piece of Hive. If you buy a share of Grow, you basically get almost 70 cents of Hive behind it.
Wow, Grow has grown and is growing rapidly. That's phenomenal.
So it's and I own, you know, I'm the largest shareholder, and it pays monthly dividends. So I think it's a lower volatility than buying Hive. Hive is a speculative play. It's a disruptive play. And so anyone going into it has to recognize it. But my goal is to build it to about a $10 billion company.